I know a lot of people struggle with this problem. When you're editing your video in Premiere Pro and achieving the perfect color grade, it looks great in the editor, but after exporting, it can look awful. No problem, I'm here to help you fix this issue once and for all. This is a sample video to teach you how to export without color shifting issues. First, download the Qt Plus Gamma compensation file from the description below and follow my instructions. It's very easy. Go to the file and select Export Media. Once you're in the export settings, choose the location where you want to save your video. I recommend selecting a folder like Qt Gamma to keep it organized and easy to identify. Rename your file. You can name it anything you want. For example, I named mine Color Issue. Next, go to the preset and select Match Source, Adaptive High Bitrate. Now comes the most important step to prevent color shifting. Go to the Effects tab, click on Lumetri Color or LUT, navigate to your computer, and upload the Qt Plus Gamma compensation file. After you upload the file, it may not give you any sign that it's been uploaded, but trust me, it's uploaded. Then, simply export your video. By following these steps, your exported video will retain its original colors without fading or losing quality. This is the best method to solve this issue. If this video helps you, please give it a like and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I have a lot of problem-solving videos coming up.